In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Chromecast to Mi TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Mi TV or Xiaomi TV, you can easily set up and use a Chromecast. So first, plug the Chromecast itself to the back of the TV. So look for the appropriate port and then plug it in. Also, plug it into a power outlet with the included cable. So it is going to look like this. The Chromecast will be plugged into the back of your Xiaomi TV, and it is going to be receiving power using this included cable. Once the Chromecast has been set up, the next thing to do is to ensure that you have the same Wi-Fi network on the TV and a mobile device where you want to control the Chromecast. So go into the network and internet options, make sure that it is enabled, and ensure that you have the same Wi-Fi network across both devices. Finally, download the Google Home application. So, on your mobile device, open the Play Store or the App Store, look for Google Home, and open the app. Inside of the app, choose Devices and choose the option to add a new device. Choose Google Nest or partner device. As you can see, Chromecast is included on the list of devices, and after a few seconds or even up to a minute, it is going to be detected like this. If it is not detected, you can try restarting the Google Home app or changing the port that is being used for the Chromecast at the back of the Mi TV. After it has been detected, choose Yes and proceed. The last step is to confirm the Wi-Fi network that you want to use with your Chromecast. And finally, after all of this is done and the Chromecast appears on your list of devices, you can cast your screen and choose more options like using a virtual remote through the Google Home application. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.